This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So firstly, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then find and launch the Google Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can either directly install it from the search results or open the app page and tap at the install button from there. Doesn't matter which path you'll go, since they will basically provide you with the identical result, so do as you please. Anyway, once the Opera gets downloaded and installed, which as you can clearly see does not take a lot of time, just under 10 seconds I would assume, depending on how fast is your Wi-Fi connection. So once the app is ready, you can just go ahead and launch it. And while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the continue button here, and then you can customize the permissions and preferences that the Opera browser will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.